Ladies and gentlemen, the Kahlúa Oreo milkshake. Not Korea, okay? You could have this in Korea, but it's not Korean. Okay, vanilla ice cream, banana, Irish cream. Watch someone for Korea call me up and be like, hey, dude, we created this drink. Coffee liqueur, okay. Oreo cookies. I always like drinks when you put cookies in it because it seemed like, oh, they'll get wet and soggy. But no, when you blend, they break up into little tiny bits and it's beautiful. Okay? So we sexified our glass with some chocolate syrup and then we pour in our my Lord. Okay? Yeah, it's a ton of calories, but guess what? It's delicious. And look at Emma. She's modeling some cookies. What are we going to do with those? Sprinkle those bad boys on top. Oh my God. Okay, yes, it's fattening, but it's delicious, okay? It's delicious. This one will make you happy, all right? Beautiful, okay? Anyway, guys, for more milkshakes like this, you gotta check out the website. Okay, delicious. You see that? And that's Brittany. I don't know why she's taking the straw or she's trying to flip the straw as if that's gonna be healthier, okay? Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Tipsy Bartender drama. Okay, you don't flip the straw in front of the boss. You gotta drink from the same straw the boss drink from, okay? That's how you get fired. Later.